This tutorial will walk you through how to modify form input and drop-down fields in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, and go to Website, Design Manager, from top menu. Click Custom tab, and select Content from the section drop-downs. Select the option, Forms, from the subsection drop-downs. You can now set input or drop-down fields background color, and font size. To pick your own color, click on the color box, and you will be presented with a color picker pop-up. The pop-up will have HSV panel, sliders, and also swatches color picker. Click Save button after selecting appropriate BG color, and font size, and then click OK button. The Layout Manager will show preview of the forms, as shown here. Now, go to your front store and refresh the page to view the new input/drop-down fields style. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.